What if I told you there were companies out there right now poised for explosive growth, the kind of growth that could make you a millionaire by retirement? Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you it's not as far-fetched as you think? We're talking about growth stocks, the racehorses of the stock market. These are companies with the potential to skyrocket in value, outpacing the market and leaving traditional investments in the dust. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that risky? And yeah, there's always risk involved. But with the right research and a long-term perspective, investing in growth stocks can be the key to unlocking life-changing wealth for your golden years. So, if you're ready to ditch the slow and steady approach and supercharge your retirement savings, stick around because in this video, I'm breaking down my top 5 growth stocks to buy and hold for retirement. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. We're diving deep into the numbers, analyzing the potential, and I'm giving you the roadmap to make informed investment decisions. And while you're at it, hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video with your friends and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Alright, let's kick things off with a company that's tackling a challenge we can all relate to: pests. And no, I'm not talking about that annoying neighbor. I'm talking about Rentokil Initial, ticker symbol RTO, a global pest control giant with a market cap of $12.14 billion. Their EPS is 0.28 with a PE ratio of 87.10 and a dividend yield of 2.41%. Now you might be thinking, pest control? Really? But hear me out. This isn't your grandpa's fly swatter business. Rentokil is a global powerhouse providing essential services to businesses and homeowners in over 80 countries. We're talking rats, termites, cockroaches, you name it, they eliminate it. And the best part? This is a need that's not going away anytime soon. RTO delivered impressive financial results in 2023, with a 44.72% revenue increase to 5.375 billion British pounds, driven by strong demand. The gross profit margin soared to 82.75%, reflecting improved cost efficiency, while their net income grew by 64.22% to 381 million British pounds. The company maintained a strong liquidity position with 1.547 billion in cash, and generated 737 million in operating cash flow, showcasing robust operational performance and financial health. As the global population grows and urbanization continues, the demand for pest control services is only going to increase. That's a recipe for long-term sustainable growth, and that's exactly what we're looking for in a retirement stock. If you want to know my secret for finding winning stocks like these, it's Forecaster Stock Analysis Terminal, the official sponsor of this video. Forecaster is the ultimate tool for uncovering high-value investments in seconds. Try it for free today. Just click the link in the description with my code Galore10 for an exclusive 10% discount. Alright, moving on to our second growth stock, and this one's for all the data enthusiasts out there. If you're someone who thrives on numbers, analytics, and the power of information, then you're in for a treat. We're diving into the world of commercial real estate with CoStar Group, ticker symbol CSGP, a company that has revolutionized the way we understand and interact with real estate data. Think of CoStar as the Google of real estate data. Just as Google transformed the way we search for information online, CoStar has transformed the commercial real estate industry by providing unparalleled access to data. With a market cap of $30.4 billion, CoStar is the leading provider of commercial real estate information, analytics, and online marketplaces. Their influence in the industry is immense and their growth trajectory is impressive. They have a massive database that covers everything from office buildings and shopping centers to industrial properties and apartments. This extensive coverage ensures that no matter what type of commercial property you're interested in, CoStar has the data you need. And we're not just talking basic information here. CoStar provides detailed, granular data that goes far beyond the surface level. We're talking granular data on rental rates, vacancy rates, property values, demographics, and so much more. This level of detail is invaluable for making informed decisions in the commercial real estate market. This information is pure gold for real estate investors, brokers, lenders, and anyone else involved in the commercial real estate industry. Having access to such comprehensive data can be the difference between a successful investment and a missed opportunity. But why is this such a big deal? Why does having access to this data matter so much? Well, in the world of commercial real estate, information is power. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make strategic decisions that can lead to significant financial gains. Having access to accurate, up-to-date data is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Without it, you're essentially flying blind, making guesses rather than calculated moves. And that's where CoStar comes in. Their platform provides the tools and insights that industry professionals need to identify trends, evaluate opportunities, and ultimately, make profitable deals. Think about it. Before CoStar, finding reliable commercial real estate data was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. It was a tedious process that involved sifting through mountains of paperwork and outdated records. It was time-consuming, expensive, and often inaccurate. The lack of centralized data made it difficult to get a clear picture of the market, leading to missed opportunities and costly mistakes. CoStar changed all that by creating a centralized, comprehensive database that's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This innovation has democratized access to real estate data, leveling the playing field for investors of all sizes. Now, whether you're a small investor or a large corporation, you can access the same high-quality data and make informed decisions. CoStar's platform has become an indispensable tool in the commercial real estate industry, empowering professionals to achieve greater success. As CoStar continues to grow and innovate, their impact on the commercial real estate industry will only increase. They are constantly expanding their database, adding new features, and improving their platform to meet the evolving needs of their users. The future of commercial real estate is bright, and CoStar is at the forefront of this exciting industry. With their cutting-edge technology and unparalleled data, they are shaping the future of real estate, one data point at a time. So if you're looking to invest in commercial real estate or simply want to stay informed about the market, CoStar Group is a name you need to know. Their platform is a game changer, providing the insights and tools you need to succeed in this competitive industry. Beyond the bricks and mortar, it's the data that drives the commercial real estate market, and CoStar Group is leading the way. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on the world of growth stocks and innovative companies. Alright, moving right along to number 3 on our list of growth stocks to buy and hold for retirement, we've got AstraZeneca, ticker symbol AZN. This isn't just any pharmaceutical company, it's a titan in the healthcare industry with a rich history and a promising future. Founded in 1999 through the merger of Astra AB of Sweden and Zeneca Group plc of the UK, AstraZeneca has grown exponentially over the years, becoming a household name in the world of medicine. Now, AstraZeneca is a global pharmaceutical powerhouse, and I'm talking massive. With operations in over 100 countries and a workforce of more than 70,000 employees, this company is a true global player. Their reach extends far and wide, impacting millions of lives every day through their innovative treatments and therapies. We're talking about a company with a market cap of over $214 billion. That's a staggering figure that places AstraZeneca among the top pharmaceutical companies in the world. This market cap isn't just a number. It represents the trust and confidence that investors have in the company's ability to deliver consistent growth and value. That's billion with a B, folks. To put that into perspective, it's a sum that dwarfs the GDP of many small countries. It's a testament to the scale and impact of AstraZeneca's operations and their ability to generate substantial revenue year after year. Just to put that in perspective, that's like buying every single team in the NBA, NFL, MLB, and NHL combined, and still having enough cash left over to buy yourself a pretty sweet island. Imagine owning all those sports franchises and still having a fortune to spare. That's the kind of financial muscle we're talking about here. But hey, I'm getting sidetracked. The point is, this company is a behemoth in the healthcare space. Their financial strength allows them to invest heavily in research and development, ensuring they stay at the cutting edge of medical science. AstraZeneca's commitment to innovation is evident in their extensive pipeline of new drugs and therapies, which are designed to address some of the most pressing health challenges of our time. And it's not just about size. AstraZeneca has a proven track record of developing life-changing medications, from treatments for cancer to cardiovascular diseases to respiratory illnesses. They're at the forefront of medical innovation. Their oncology portfolio, for instance, includes groundbreaking therapies that have significantly improved survival rates for patients with various types of cancer. In addition to oncology, AstraZeneca is also a leader in the treatment of cardiovascular and metabolic diseases, with a range of medications that help manage conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol. And that's something I always look for in a long-term investment, a company that's constantly evolving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AstraZeneca's dedication to research and development is not just about creating new drugs, it's about improving the quality of life for millions of people around the world. Their work in respiratory diseases, for example, has led to the development of inhalers and other treatments that have made a real difference for patients with asthma and COPD. Now let's dive into some of the numbers because, as you guys know, I'm all about that data. AstraZeneca's financial performance is a key indicator of its strength and stability. Over the past few years, the company has consistently delivered strong revenue growth, driven by the success of its new product launches and the expansion of its existing product lines. AstraZeneca boasts a solid EPS of $3.72. That's earnings per share, which basically tells you how much profit the company makes for each share of stock. This figure is a crucial metric for investors, as it provides insight into the company's profitability and its ability to generate returns for shareholders. In addition to a strong EPS, AstraZeneca also has a robust dividend policy which provides a steady stream of income for shareholders. On top of that, AstraZeneca offers a dividend yield of 2.14%. Not the highest out there, but hey, when you're dealing with a company this solid and with this much growth potential, a little extra cash flow never hurts, right? Dividends are a great way to generate passive income, and AstraZeneca's consistent dividend payments are a testament to its financial health and stability. So, if you're looking for a growth stock with a solid track record, strong financials, and a commitment to innovation, AstraZeneca is definitely worth considering for your retirement portfolio. With its impressive market cap, robust pipeline of new drugs, and consistent financial performance, AstraZeneca is well positioned to continue delivering value to its shareholders for years to come. Alright, moving on to number 4 on our list of growth stocks with Tyler Technologies, ticker symbol TYL. This is a company that's kind of under the radar, but they're killing it in a niche market. They provide software solutions to the public sector, think local governments, schools, you name it. Now you might not think of government and cutting-edge technology in the same sentence, right? But Tyler Technologies is changing the game. They're helping these institutions modernize their operations, become more efficient, and better serve their communities. And that's a recipe for some serious growth potential. Their market cap sits at a respectable $25.33 billion, and while their PE ratio is high at 106.27, it indicates that investors are confident in their future earnings potential. Plus, with an EPS of $5.57, they're clearly generating solid profits. This isn't some fly-by-night tech startup. Tyler Technologies has a proven track record of success, and they're only getting started. Keep an eye on this one, folks. Alright, let's talk about a company that's absolutely crucial to the tech world, even if they fly a little under the radar for the average consumer. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM. This company, often referred to as the backbone of modern technology, plays a pivotal role in the production of semiconductors, which are the tiny chips that power nearly every electronic device we use today. From the moment you wake up and check your smartphone, to the time you relax in front of your smart TV, TSM's influence is omnipresent, yet despite their monumental impact, they remain relatively unknown to the average person. These guys are the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry. In simpler terms, they make the chips that power everything from our smartphones and laptops to cars and even refrigerators. Imagine a world without TSM. Our daily lives would be drastically different. The seamless operation of our gadgets, the efficiency of our vehicles, and even the functionality of our household appliances all hinge on the sophisticated semiconductors produced by TSM. Their production lines are a marvel of modern engineering, with precision and efficiency that ensure the highest quality of microchips. You know how everyone's talking about the chip shortage? Well, TSM is at the heart of that conversation. The global chip shortage has highlighted just how critical TSM is to the tech ecosystem. This shortage has affected everything from the availability of new cars to the production of gaming consoles. The demand for semiconductors has skyrocketed, and TSM has been working tirelessly to meet this demand. Their ability to scale production and innovate under pressure is a testament to their industry leadership. They have a market cap of over $1.15 trillion, putting them in the big leagues alongside tech giants like Apple and Microsoft. This valuation isn't just a number, it reflects the immense trust and reliance the global market places on TSM. Their financial strength allows them to invest heavily in research and development, ensuring they stay ahead of technological advancements and maintain their competitive edge. And when you look at their financials, it's not hard to see why. With an EPS of $45.26 and a PE ratio of just 4.9, they're a cash-generating machine. These figures are not just impressive, they are indicative of a company that has mastered the art of balancing growth with profitability. Their financial health is a beacon for investors looking for stable yet growth-oriented opportunities. Plus, they offer a dividend yield of 1.05%, which is a nice bonus for income-oriented investors. This dividend yield, while modest, is a reflection of TSM's commitment to returning value to its shareholders. For investors, this means a steady stream of income, in addition to the potential for capital appreciation. It's a win-win situation that makes TSM an attractive option for both growth and income-focused portfolios. TSM is a fundamental building block of the digital age, and their growth story is far from over. As we move further into an era dominated by digital transformation, the demand for advanced semiconductors will only increase. TSM's role in this digital revolution cannot be overstated. They are not just participants, they are enablers of the future, driving innovation and setting the pace for technological advancements. So why is TSM positioned for continued growth? The answer lies in their strategic vision and relentless pursuit of excellence. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, investing in cutting-edge technologies and expanding their production capabilities. Their foresight in anticipating market trends and their agility in adapting to changes have positioned them as leaders in the semiconductor industry. Simple demand for semiconductors is exploding, and TSM is in the perfect position to capitalize. The proliferation of smart devices, the rise of artificial intelligence, and the expansion of the Internet of Things are all driving this demand. TSM's ability to produce high-performance, energy-efficient chips makes them the go-to supplier for tech companies around the world. Their strategic partnerships and collaborations further enhance their market position, ensuring they remain at the forefront of the industry. Think about it. Every industry is becoming increasingly reliant on technology. From healthcare to automotive, from finance to entertainment, the integration of technology is transforming industries. This digital transformation is creating an insatiable demand for semiconductors, and TSM is uniquely positioned to meet this demand. Their diverse product portfolio and ability to customize solutions for different industries give them a significant competitive advantage. From artificial intelligence and 5G to self-driving cars and the Internet of Things, the need for more powerful and efficient chips is only going to intensify. These technologies are not just trends, they are the future. TSM's commitment to innovation ensures they are always ahead of the curve, developing the next generation of semiconductors that will power these advancements. Their research and development efforts are focused on creating chips that are not only powerful, but also energy efficient, addressing the growing concerns around sustainability. TSM is at the forefront of this revolution, constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technologies enable them to produce the most advanced semiconductors in the world. They are not just keeping up with the pace of technological change, they are setting it. Their ability to innovate and adapt is a key driver of their success, and a major reason why they are poised for continued growth. They're the ones making the chips that power the latest and greatest devices, and that gives them a significant competitive advantage. Their expertise in semiconductor manufacturing is unmatched, and their ability to produce high-quality, reliable chips makes them the preferred supplier for tech giants around the world. This competitive advantage is not just about technology, it's about trust. Companies trust TSM to deliver the best, and that trust is a powerful asset in a highly competitive industry. And here's the kicker, their manufacturing prowess is unmatched. TSM's manufacturing capabilities are a marvel of modern engineering. Their facilities are equipped with the latest technologies, and their production processes are optimized for efficiency and quality. This manufacturing excellence is a key differentiator, enabling them to produce semiconductors at a scale and quality that few can match. It's this prowess that allows them to meet the growing demand for semiconductors and maintain their leadership position in the industry. They have the scale, the expertise, and the technological capabilities that few companies can rival. Their team of highly skilled engineers and researchers is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing new technologies and improving existing ones. This relentless pursuit of excellence is what sets TSM apart from its competitors. Their commitment to innovation and quality ensures they remain at the cutting edge of the semiconductor industry. This makes them the go-to partner for tech giants around the world. Companies like Apple, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm rely on TSM for their semiconductor needs. These partnerships are a testament to TSM's reputation for quality and reliability. They are not just suppliers, they are strategic partners, working closely with their clients to develop customized solutions that meet their specific needs. This collaborative approach is a key factor in their success, and a major reason why they are the preferred partner for many of the world's leading tech companies. Now, no investment is without its risks, and TSM is no exception. While their prospects are bright, it's important to consider the potential challenges they may face. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, and TSM must continually innovate to stay ahead. Additionally, there are geopolitical risks that could impact their operations. Investors need to be aware of these risks and consider them when making investment decisions. One of the biggest concerns is geopolitical tensions, particularly between Taiwan and China. The political landscape in this region is complex, and any escalation in tensions could have significant implications for TSM. While the company has taken steps to mitigate these risks, it's an area that investors need to keep an eye on. The stability of the region is crucial for TSM's operations, and any disruption could impact their ability to meet global demand. While any potential conflict is a risk factor to consider, it's important to remember that TSM is a critical supplier to companies all over the world, including China. This global reliance on TSM's semiconductors acts as a buffer against potential geopolitical risks. The interconnected nature of the global supply chain means that any disruption would have far-reaching consequences, making it in the best interest of all parties to maintain stability. However, it's still a risk that cannot be ignored, and investors should factor it into their decision-making process. Another challenge is competition. The semiconductor industry is fiercely competitive, and while TSM is the dominant player, they're constantly facing pressure from rivals in South Korea and the United States. Companies like Samsung and Intel are formidable competitors, and they are investing heavily in their semiconductor capabilities. This competition drives innovation, but it also means that TSM must continually invest in research and development to maintain their leadership position. The competitive landscape is dynamic, and TSM must stay agile and innovative to stay ahead. However, TSM has consistently demonstrated its ability to stay ahead of the curve through massive investments in research and development. Their commitment to innovation is unwavering, and they are constantly exploring new technologies and improving their existing processes. This focus on R&D is a key driver of their success and a major reason why they have been able to maintain their leadership position in the industry. Their ability to anticipate market trends and develop cutting-edge solutions ensures they remain at the forefront of the semiconductor industry. They're not resting on their laurels, and that's a good sign for long-term investors. TSM's proactive approach to innovation and their commitment to continuous improvement make them a compelling investment opportunity. They are not just reacting to market changes, they are driving them. This forward-thinking approach ensures they remain relevant and competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. For long-term investors, this focus on innovation and growth is a positive indicator of future success. So is TSM a buy? The answer depends on your investment strategy and risk tolerance. If you believe in the future of technology and the growing demand for semiconductors, TSM presents a compelling case. Their strong market position, financial health, and commitment to innovation make them an attractive option for growth-oriented investors. However, it's important to consider the potential risks and ensure that TSM aligns with your investment goals. If you're bullish on the future of technology and believe that the demand for semiconductors will continue to soar, then TSM is a compelling investment opportunity. The technological advancements driving this demand are not just trends, they are the future. TSM's ability to produce high-quality, reliable semiconductors positions them as a key player in this future. Their strategic vision and commitment to innovation ensure they are well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for semiconductors. They have a dominant market position, a strong track record of profitability, and a commitment to innovation that's unmatched in the industry. These factors make TSM a compelling investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the growth of the semiconductor industry. Their financial strength and market leadership provide a solid foundation for future growth, while their focus on innovation ensures they remain at the cutting edge of technology. For investors, this combination of stability and growth potential is highly attractive. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the geopolitical risks and the competitive nature of the semiconductor market. These factors can impact TSM's operations and should be considered when making investment decisions. While TSM has demonstrated resilience and adaptability, the dynamic nature of the industry means that risks are always present. Investors need to stay informed and be prepared to adjust their strategies as needed. Understanding these risks and how they might impact TSM is essential for making informed investment decisions. As always, it's important to conduct thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and make sure TSM aligns with your long-term investment goals. Investing in TSM requires a deep understanding of the semiconductor industry and the factors driving its growth. It's important to stay informed about market trends, technological advancements, and potential risks. By conducting thorough research and assessing your risk tolerance, you can make informed decisions that align with your investment goals. TSM's potential for growth is significant, but it's important to approach it with a clear understanding of the risks and opportunities. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how promising the company might seem. Diversifying your investment portfolio helps mitigate risk and ensures that you are not overly exposed to any single company or industry. While TSM presents a compelling investment opportunity, it's important to balance it with other investments to create a well-rounded portfolio. This approach helps protect your investments and provides a more stable foundation for long-term growth. If you want to know my secret for finding winning stocks, it's all about understanding the fundamentals, staying informed about market trends, and being patient. Successful investing requires a combination of knowledge, research, and discipline. By focusing on companies with strong fundamentals like TSM and staying informed about industry trends, you can identify promising investment opportunities. Patience is also key. Investing is a long-term game, and staying committed to your strategy can yield significant rewards over time, so do your research, stay informed, and invest wisely. That wraps up our look at the top 5 growth stocks to buy and hold for retirement. Remember, these are just a starting point for your own research. If you want to take your investing to the next level, Forecaster is the tool I trust to find incredible stocks like these. Don't wait, try it for free today. Use the link in the description and code Galore10 to get started. The stock market is always changing, so it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions that align with your individual financial goals. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mentioned here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. As always, I'm here to help you build a brighter financial future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more investing insights and tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.